Once the life vest is placed into a bag, we can complete the life vest assembly part number. Let's take a closer look at the label. Here's the life vest part number. It should look somewhat familiar. Let's see if we can decipher it. The digits 5-1 indicate that this is an AV35 life vest made to TSOC13D. The 7 means that this life vest has G donning style. The digit 00 means that it has separate donning instructions for adults and children. This 7 means that the life vest is orange in color and is made with a single coated fabric. The 3 indicates that this life vest has a battery pull tab. And the last 2 digits tell us that the life vest includes a black whistle. Now let's go back to the label and look at the life vest assembly part number. It's basically the life vest part number plus 6 more digits. The first 3 digits are the airline code, in this case TAV, which stands for Transavia Airlines. They could be letters, numbers, or both. The next 3 digits tell us what life vest bag is being used. So we'll look in the back of the service manual on page 1121 for bag 001. There's 001 at the top of the page. We can see that the bag part number should be S1882-1, and the maximum pack dimensions are listed right next to it. The bag part number is also listed on the label. In addition, we list an alternate part number. It's the same assembly part number, but with the S and the hyphens removed. While we're looking at the label, let's take a look at the life vest serial number. It consists of the month, the year, and a 3 to 5 digit sequential number. If the life vest included an RFID chip, it would be marked here. Prior to January 2018, the presence of an RFID chip was indicated by a -1. One more thing to mention here is the next inspection date. The date depends on the airline's TVO, or time between overhaul. This airline has a 2-year TVO. The TVO can be any time between 2 to 10 years. If an airline changes their TVO, it may change the bag that the life vest is packed in. If the bag part number changes, this will affect the life vest assembly part number.